Well, hello my friends. We're going to be taking a week off, or five days. I've got a couple of days to try out my new job at the new house, and this is the point where I start living in between the two houses permanently. So what's going to happen this week is I'm going to work and then also try and get together a spot in the new house for the computer setup, which kind of is like a sign that things are moving permanently. Thanks for watching the videos. I'm hoping to I've had some patrons with me for about a couple of years now. I've had 13 patrons, and for the last year it's been at 13. We've had some people leave, we had some people come back and leave again, and I'm just hoping that what I do is worth something to you. I had a pretty rough weekend. One of my inspirations in life had nothing to do with model railroading, and he passed away, and it was kind of really hard on me, and I was still going through it. So, it kind of makes me feel like, is it all worth it? The pain and stress and anxiety of dealing with negativity and, being a compassionate individual isn't always fun. And, yeah. No matter how many times you've been taken advantage of in your life, never become that person. Just be true to the person you are. That's my advice for today. I hope to make a couple of vlogs that are in a better mood this week, and I'm also hoping to be able to make another trip down to the States and actually connect with the new famous model railroader, somebody who's like me. Anyways, thanks for watching these videos. Thanks for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, just what the fuck's the point in subscribing now? Who cares, right? Okay, let's get out of here.